Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my garden. Today I will show you another 12 conifers that grow in my garden. In my first video I showed you 10 conifers that grow in my moonlight garden. In my second video I showed you 10 other conifers that grow along my property lines, and also conifers growing near my house. In my third video I showed you 10 conifers that grow in my bonsai garden. In this video I will show you what conifers grow in my Gothic garden and in my Roman garden. I call this narrow sloped garden a Roman garden because in the future we will install some statues of Roman gods. In front of these evergreen shipka laurel bushes we have 3 groups of 5 conifers each. And I'm sorry for not showing the better look at this garden because down we have a construction. We are constructing a patio wall fountain, and I have videos on this development, so I will leave a link above about this fountain. But let's look at this group of 5s. At the center of each group we have beautiful Baby Blue Eyes Spruce. This is a dwarfed variety of Colorado blue spruce with a stunning, beautiful and uniquely colored branches with sharp and pointy silvery blue to nearly gray needles. This cultivar sustain or retain this color well over the entire season, tolerating dry conditions and even some light shade. And shade even help to result in a richer blue color. On the left, from the baby blue spruce, we have lyre-head mago pine. And this conifer throughout the growing season maintains as a low-key garden element with medium green needles. But as winter approaches, the needles turn color and become an outstanding luminous yellow that brings the winter garden to life, and it stays yellow until the early months of spring. During winter months, this conifer provides a colorful addition to winter climates, and I always look with joy through my windows at these conifers. On the right, on the upper level, we have a beautiful, stunning evergreen that is called Pinus parviflora Adcock dwarf. This is a dwarf cultivar of Japanese white pine, and it really can become a star in the garden. It grows very slowly and the needles are very densely situated and kind of short. It's slow growing conifer and can reach at most 6-8 feet throughout the life. This is a sample from another group, and as you can see, it develops a little bit different form, but all of them are very beautiful and contrasting well with the baby blue eyes spruce. This unique dwarf conifer comes as a cross cultivar which was found in Germany as a witch's broom. The clusters of long bluish-green needles on this outstanding broad pyramidal pine are so delicate, even the slightest wind moves them. And finally, on the lower right, we have this cultivar called green Penguin Scot pine. This particular bush became sick. I cured it, but it still did not recover fully. So let me show you another sample of this conifer. This is another conifer of this type with a more dense form. So it forms a very round big ball of foliage. Out of 3 trees in this garden, I like this sample the most because it has the most symmetrical form and looks great. And my Shipka laurel bushes serves a wonderful background for the gray bluish foliage. Let me now introduce 7 more conifers that grow in my Gothic garden. First, let's look at these 8 emerald green tuyas. This conifer is one of the most used trees in North America for privacy screening. It has soft, velvety touch, but the most valuable trait of this conifer is its color. That's why it's called emerald green. It holds its color very vibrant, bright color through the whole year. Never changed it, even for the winter. I have another tuya here, and this is a cultivar of green emerald tuya. This cultivar does not grow too fast, so it will stay pretty small for many years. But the foliage is also very bright green. The artistic appearance of this wonderful conifer makes it a wonderful plant for any garden. I have 2 trees, and their rustic, crooked appearance is welcoming presence in any landscape. The name of my next conifer I cannot even pronounce correctly. This tree grows pretty big and has a very dramatic presence, and it is considered one of the best weeping conifers. The foliage is soft and graceful. A small conifer, yet small, and it's called Bush Lace Engelmann Spruce, blue color. This conifer will gradually grow up to 6 feet, but it will sustain its blue foliage and this weeping habit. I have another spruce here, and it's a cultivar of Norway spruce. In a few years it will become a very elegant, tall, up to 20 feet tree. And the foliage is a very interesting green color. My favorite conifer in my Gothic garden is this gorgeous weeping Norway spruce. This conifer has very rich green foliage with emerges lime green in the spring. So beautiful. This is a dwarf cultivar which is valued for its unique form. Look at these beautiful cones.